Okay. Hi, everybody! Right foot red.
Oh, God.
You guys, why don't you quiet it down, man? It's
Ow! Ow!
Sarah, people are sleeping. Oh my God.
Right foot blue. Wait, we haven't even...
That doesn't look right. That looks really wrong.
Left hand red. Wait, left. Left hand blue.
Oh my gosh.
Left hand.
Left foot red.
Oh boy. I vote little Sarah. Oh,
hand
was
red.
that it? You just fell. Look at your bum. It's on the ground. Your bum is on the ground. No, it's not. It's not.
Is it on red?
Yeah.
Yes. Right foot blue.
It's there.
I want to find out who falls.
Left foot blue.
What was that?
Left foot blue.
Left foot blue?
Yeah. Hi.
I gotta get it to wrap around and go like over here.
Left foot green.
So intense. Oh my God. Sabrina.
Standing up is what I was
Wait, what? Wait. Right foot red.
Look at Katie and her spinning powers right now.
Paige, you wanna
Whoa.
get back?
Oh,
Do you want? Oh.
Page left foot red.
You got it.
Left foot.
Whoa.
Will you straighten out the mat?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Page. Thank you. Page.
Yeah.
Do I look like a boy?
Does she look like a boy?
Do I look like a boy?
Straight up man.
I don't know. I thought I looked.
Hand red.
Oh, sorry. I'm right. I'm on it.
Sorry. I'm gonna go over you for the next one, I think, so we can make this interesting.
Oh, this is gonna get.
Oh.
Oh. Angle. Finagle.
Not like that. Alright, now I'm not good.
Left hand yellow.
Look. Not making everyone dizzy.
Clear. Happy.
Sorry, guys. Oh boy. How did we get here? I missed that.
Go ahead.
Will you stop landing there?
My quads are killing me. My thigh muscle is.
Left foot blue.
This is great. Great work, guys.
Push me over.
You want to, Sarah? Hey, you want to stop screwing up the mat? Because you're ruining the game.
Okay. Oh, I'm comfy. I'm gonna pee my pants. I'm glad this is plastic. Oh my gosh. Right foot green. What?
Right foot green. Go over me. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got that move. That's just an
On
angle.
the right of you. On the right. Did I reach it?
Left foot yellow.
This is so long. This is like a 3-minute movie. We should make like Miley Cyrus and what's her name's movies. You know those.
Hi, I love everybody in the world.
You're in the way.
Right foot
Oh,
yellow.
that's nice.
Right.
Right hand. We're the best people ever if you like High School Musical.
go see it, and it's the
Yeah.
best movie ever.
Cheese.
Oh my God, that
Oh,
was
sorry guys.
thing I've ever
Sorry
seen
guys.
in my life.
Oh my God, I'm a girl and I like High School Musical.
Hey, guys.
You know what? Stop.
Hey, guys.
Stop right there. Stop.
Hey guys,
Left foot green. Left foot green.
Sorry. Whoa, this doesn't look wrong or anything.
I'm going over you. Oh, whoops.
Oh boy, don't hurt her.
Oh man. Yeah.
Oh man.
Right hand yellow.
Alright, somebody fall, because this is a really long video.
Right hand yellow.
It's already there. Oh no, no.
Left hand blue.
Look at the puppy.
This angle is funny.
Okay, I'm coming.
Left foot yellow. Get me playing this game.
Okay, well, hold on.
This is the best game in the world. Left foot red.
And you're not even on my face.
Left foot red.
You go first.
Wow, that's not good. Right? I got like a full view of your bum right now, both of you. Whoa.
Nice.
Hey,
Your
guys.
face. Okay, left foot green. Yo. You know what I say now? I say yo and dude because I've been talking to Rob like that 'cause it's funny.
Rob? Oh.
Left hand yellow.
Okay.
Yo.
And I'm like, yo, what up?
Oh, is it? No.
Dog.
What up, dog?
Left foot yellow. Guys, do I sound sick? Because I'm really not sick. I feel perfectly fine, but I think I sound sick.
I think she's alright.
But my throat doesn't hurt.
Oh, do we look like a boy?
I'm burning.
Left foot like blue. Like a whole body. Like like boy. Yo.
Oh boy.
Alright, left foot red. Update.
Still going. I feel like go now.
Right foot green.
Why are you
I'm trying to zoom in on their hands. Two artistic shots. Left hand green. Come on, guys. Look at my pants. Left hand blue. I think it's done. It's 5 minutes and 53, 4, 5 seconds, 6. Did you see that? Wow.
Right.
I'm so excited. That's my belly button. This is Paige's belly button. Left hand red. Where is it? Left foot yellow.
You're not filming them.
Okay.
Left foot green.
What is going on?
No,
Right
your
foot
mother.
red. Get away from me. No.
Right hand red. I'm crying.
Why?
She's pulling your belly button.
Left foot blue. Wait, what? Right hand blue.
We were like, I was like,
I am the champion.
this is my belly button.
I don't play anymore. I'm done with Twister.
Oh,